What's up guys, Albert here from Animal Racing Customs. Okay, so we've got a new car in. You guys would have seen the photos on Facebook of the Frostbite Mk1 Caddy Bucky when we loaded. He just went to install a cam by some guys and the timing was crazy out. It is idling like a boss right now. Sorted out and everything. It sounds a lot better than what it used to. At one stage it didn't want to even start, so yeah, we got one of our good friends in to come and help us sort out the Frostbite Caddy. And yeah, just show you guys a few clips of the Bucky idling now and still busy tweaking a little bit here and there. So yeah, that's our update of the Frostbite Mk1 Caddy. Hope you guys enjoy the videos that we make. Like, subscribe and share the shit out of it. Follow us on Facebook at Animal Racing Customs, on YouTube at Albert Frostbite, and then as well on Instagram on the Mk1 Pinto beside an Escort, which went in for custom piping. As you guys have seen, our other videographer, Tyron Naidu, he organized the video when I was not home. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy.
Take a breath, hold it tight, trace the memory in every line. Does anyone